Ok, ahora vamos a hablar de los verbos de er, ir en el pretérito. Right now we're going to talk about er, ir verbs in the preterite. I have one video already about the preterite for ar verbs. Er verbs are a little bit different. You'll see some similarities between them, er, ir verbs. They're somewhat similar to ar verbs, but there are differences. So please note them. The reason that I'm doing er verbs and ir verbs together in the preterite is because their conjugations are exactly the same. So if you can conjugate er verbs in the preterite, the regular er verbs in the preterite, you can conjugate ir verbs in the preterite. So that's one of the very few things that's nice about the preterite. I will give you the verb comer in the preterite, and just repeat it along with me so you get the conjugations down. Yo comí, tú comiste, tú comiste, él, ella, usted comió, comió. Nosotros comimos, nosotras comimos, vosotros comisteis, vosotras comisteis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes comieron, comieron. So what I want you to do right now is I'll give you the verb vivir, and remember the conjugations for ir verbs and er verbs in the preterite for regular verbs are exactly the same. So why don't you pause the video for me, conjugate the verb vivir, make sure you can do it, and then I'll show you what the answers are. So vivir in the preterite would be conjugated as follows. Vivi, viviste, vivió, vivimos, vivisteis, vivieron. Much like AR verbs, the vosotros form, once again, is very easy to form in the preterite. You just have to add an IS to the to form, and you have the vosotros form. And again, vosotros is the form of you, plural, that's used in Spain. So these, again, the preterite is used to talk about things that happened in the past, like I ate a taco, I watched TV, for example. Some other common ER, IR verbs in the preterite that follow this pattern are escribir, recibir, beber, correr, salir, sorprender, abrir, and there are many others. I'm going to give you 4 questions, see if you can answer them. And I'll give you my answers. It might be a little bit different, but just check your verb, make sure that's the same. Pregunta 1 es, ¿escribiste la tarea anoche? ¿Escribiste la tarea anoche? Sí, yo escribí la tarea. Yo escribí la tarea. Pregunta 2. ¿Qué recibiste para tu cumpleaños? ¿Qué recibiste para tu cumpleaños? Yo recibí un regalo. Yo recibí un regalo. ¿Qué bebió tu amigo hoy? ¿Qué bebió tu amigo hoy? Mi amigo bebió agua. Mi amigo bebió agua. Pregunta 4. ¿Corrieron tus amigos ayer? ¿Corrieron tus amigos ayer? No, mis amigos no corrieron ayer. Mis amigos no corrieron ayer. That's it for the conjugations of AR or ER and IR verbs. I would recommend that you pick one, like comer, for example. Repeat it many times to yourself, and you have the conjugation down very quickly. Comí, comiste, comió, comimos, comisteis, comieron. Do that many, many times, and by the time it comes for a test or what have you, you'll have it down and you can pass the test. Let me know if you have questions.